Hi, this is Ian from Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be looking at the G4 5000 PM Kit number 1. This is a 2-year preventative maintenance kit. The first thing this comes with is the cassette seal and lube. There are instructions located inside. However, there's a detailed video on our website with a link for proper installation. Proper installation is important to ensure there are no leaks. The next thing is the biological filter. The biofilter is located on the back of the unit, as well as the compressor filter. Both those are located on the back. The last thing is the check valve. The check valve is located underneath the cover. There is a video link showing how to properly remove the cover of a G4 5000. The check valve is important because it stops water from getting into your compressor. If water gets into your compressor, it can cause permanent damage and it will need to be replaced. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.